smartwatch Samsung has ever produced. The Watch 6 Classic boasts longer battery life, so you can stay connected all day long without worrying about recharging constantly. And not only that, it's equipped with an updated operating system and a powerful new CPU chip. Now I know what you're thinking. With all these amazing features, you must be wondering about accessories. And you're right. With the introduction of this new smartwatch, we're getting a whole bunch of cool accessories like bands, chargers, and cases. However, since the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is super new, you might find it a bit challenging to get your hands on a wide variety of cases right now. And to add to that, the new size means less compatibility with older models. But don't worry, we've got you covered. For a more in-depth analysis, visit our website at thedetailedguide.com. Rest assured, we have included links to all the mentioned products in the video description for your convenience. Coming in at number 4, we have the Tensea Screen Protector and Case Pack. This pack is an absolute steal, as it includes not just 1, but 5 screen protectors and 5 cases. Talk about value for your money. The screen protectors are made from tough PC material and 9H tempered glass, giving you the ultimate protection for your watch's screen. And don't worry, they have a smooth touch, so you won't even notice they're there. The protective bumper case is shock absorbent, so you can take your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic on all your adventures without any worries. And the best part? You won't need to remove your watch band to install either the screen protector or the case. They've even included a suction cup to help you align the screen protector perfectly with your watch. No more annoying misalignments. This pack is available for both models, so no matter which size you have, Tensea has got you covered. Now let's move on to number 3, the Caseology Vault for Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. If you're looking for a sleek and all-in-one design, this one's for you. Caseology, an official Samsung partner, has crafted this case specifically to fit the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic like a glove. It covers the entire watch and even features a raised bezel to safeguard your precious screen. The best part is that it's wireless charging compatible, so no need to remove the case when it's time to power up your watch. And here's the cherry on top. You can still rotate the bezel with ease. So, navigation won't be a problem with this case on your wrist. If you want to keep your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic protected while looking stylish, the Caseology Vault is definitely a strong contender. At number 2, we have the Spigen Rugged Armor Pro. This is not your ordinary case, it's a case band combo deal. That's right, the band is fitted to the case, making installation a breeze. The Spigen Rugged Armor Pro is specially designed to handle all the bumps and scratches that come its way. It's like having a bodyguard for your smartwatch. With raised edges, it protects the precious bezel, and the secure locking TPU band keeps your watch firmly in place. Spigen has got your back with the Rugged Armor Pro. Our number 1 pick, the Spigen Liquid Air Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic case. What makes this case so special? Well, it's simple yet super durable. Made from comfortable and flexible TPU material, it hugs your watch like a glove with a smooth, matte finish. It feels great on your wrist. The best part is, despite its protection, it won't mess with any of your smartwatch's cool features. You can still enjoy wireless charging capabilities, heart rate monitoring, and even BIA body composition measurements without a hitch. Once again, Spigen has made sure that both Galaxy Watch 6 models are covered with the Liquid Air case. So there you have it, the Spigen Rugged Armor Pro at number 2 and the Spigen Liquid Air at number 1. These cases are absolute must-haves for all Galaxy Watch 6 Classic owners who want to keep their smartwatches safe and stylish. Let us know in the comments which one you think is the best fit for your style and needs. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We've got more awesome tech content coming your way.